Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel, and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you are a sun, moon, rising, any sign is Cancer, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Your love life has got 7 of Moons and the Lady card. I do see that A, you have really high expectations from your people in your personal life, like your family members, your friends, your spouse, your partner. You have really high expectations from them, and that is the reason why you end up disappointing yourself. Now, I do understand, Cancer, that you are the kind of person who give more, and that is why you can expect that kind of energy back. But unfortunately, not everyone is the same. So first and foremost lesson for you or advice for you this week is to lower your expectations from your people. That my in-laws should behave like that, my sister-in-law should behave like that, my husband should behave like that, or my friends should behave like that. That is not going to happen, irrespective whether you are a male or a female watching this. Because you end up getting disappointed because of your own expectation. Try to see that people are different from each other and nobody is perfect, right? So you will not get the best version of everyone every time, and nobody is like you. So probably they will only meet you halfway or with 20% energy. So be comfortable and happy with that. Second, I do see someone or you are traveling to see each other. It can be a long distance relationship. You really, really like this person, or this person really likes you and have a crush on you. I do see a travel which can take you long distance to a different city, state, country even, where both of you are trying to be with each other. So I do see personal vacation, I do see traveling to see your lover, and I also see you having high expectations. So till the time you have high expectations, you will be disappointed. Also, next thing that I also see that some of you have a crush on someone, someone you really, really like. If you think they also like you the same way, you will end up getting disappointed, right? This can be a beautiful person with great personality, great at their job or business as well, but they might not like you the same way, or might not give you the same energy. So be wary of what you are expecting. If you will enter a relationship or a situationship or anything with zero expectations, there is 100% chance that you will be fulfilled and feel happy and satisfied. But if you enter it with high expectations from the other person, there is a chance that you will get disappointed. So please keep your expectations to minimal, and then you will see that you will be a happier person in your relationships, no matter what kind of person relationships you are talking about. Okay. Next is your career. You've got the Apprentice and the Two of Sons. I do see that in your work you have worked very, very hard, right? You have worked like a trainee, low income in return, high working hours, more work, more hard work from your side, good for you. But irrespective of what you have given to your job or business, I do see that you end up getting into arguments and fights with people, right? Why are you getting into arguments with people? The real question is not that you're not good at your job, or they are not nice people, or you are not a nice person, but the whole problem is the compatibility issue here, the dynamic here. I do see that the people that you're dealing with, or the person that you're dealing with, is equally egoistical as you are. They're equally hot-headed as you are. They're equally strong and bold as you are. So when you both get into a fight, none of you want to back down or compromise. Now, in this week, you will have to compromise, because especially if this person is at a high position. That means if this is your boss, this is your vendor, this is a deal or a client or a customer, you will have to compromise, because if you don't, these arguments are going to escalate only, and that can affect your peace, your growth as well. So if your promotion is at stake, or your money is at stake, or some sort of loan is at stake, you have to make sure that you compromise, no matter if this person is talking shit also, no matter if they are right or wrong. Compromise a little, be quiet a little, and then you will see automatically there will be a change in the situation and things will start working in your favor. So I hope you take this advice both in your love life and your career life and apply it, and find out that your week is smoother. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get the notification in advance and you're prepared on how to handle your coming week. Lastly, If you have any questions, you would like to book a reading with me, I do personal readings as well regarding this reading or any other area of your life, love, health, money, business, anything. Book a personal reading with me. If you would like to book any ritual with me, 12th May is the perfect time when you can start any ritual or do any ritual. So please book your rituals in advance. I have two kinds of rituals available. One is the bay leaf manifestation rituals where you can manifest your desires. Second is the blockage removal ritual, which will remove the blockages from your growth or your love life, anything which is stuck, or your health as well, or your family life permanently. So do this 1 month ritual and you will see how powerful it is. Very easy and very cheap rituals on my channel, by the way. If you will know the price, you will be shocked that how effective the rituals are and at such a cheap price, right? Because the goal is to help you all. Lastly, I do have different packages available for people who are dealing with a love situation, for people who are single, or for people who are in friendship, or people who are looking only for their career. Every package has set of questions, like fixed set of questions, which I'll be answering for you. And there is a free remedy with every package. Again, packages are also very, very cheap. Only my audio and video sessions are above 1,000 rupees. All my other readings are below 1,000 rupees. So yes, you will be surprised to know. And audio video sessions are only available on Instagram, on Google Meet, and Zoom as well. Please do not ask for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is not available on my channel. Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom. How you can book a reading or spiritual counseling session with me if you need therapy, guidance, or any sort of remedy, you want to share your burdens. Email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram because you will get all such details on a daily basis on my channel, right? Everything about what is happening, full moon, new moon, when to do the ritual, what are the prices, any new service that I have launched, or variety of prices that you can choose from according to your own budget. You can do that as well. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel here and follow me on Instagram. And I will look forward to receiving an email or message from you. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye bye.